Hey everybody, this is going to be the actual working test for this Hamilton Beach toaster oven. This is the special oven that will let you cook up to a 12-inch pizza on here. So I have a Jack's Pizza 12 inches. If you look on top, there's no way it'll fit, but it's got that cool little circle back thing that will let a giant pizza fit in there. And by giant, I mean one big enough to feed a couple little kids. We're going to heat this up. Preheating it to, I think, 350. Let's see. 425. It's on bake. We'll preheat that, put the pizza in there and see how it does. Here we are. It's preheated to 425. I don't know that because there's no actual digital indicator of the temperature, but it's been a few minutes. So I removed the pizza from the wrap. Bake 10-12 minutes. Watch this how it goes in all the way. That's nice. Bake 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown on top. We'll come back, or maybe I'll do a little time lapse. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. This is getting ready to burn, but I'm trying to get this out of the oven. So it's bubbling away. Looks fantastic. And here's what I really like. It's way more convenient and energy efficient than lighting up one of these beasts, especially in the summer when you want to keep the house cool. So we're done. Kids, cheese pizza. Thanks, Liz.